right, so the first question I have is, have there been any difficulties that you've encountered during this quarantine or anything that you found yourself struggling with?
I think the most immediate effect that I felt was that my entire routine was changed because we are so far into the semester already that we already built this routine and we got adjusted to it, and it was just something that we were accustomed to. But as soon as we started class on, I think it was the 30th of March, it was just so strange. Everyone was adjusting to everything at the exact same time, and it was just um, having everything remote and being used to Blackboard Collaborate, for example, was just something to really get adjusted to, and it was hard to do. And also, the most important thing was like feeling stir crazy. I think the first 2 days, about the first week, was a little bit difficult because we were like yanked from our old routine into something that we had to stay still. We couldn't, I mean, it's our home, so we can go up and walk around, but like we had our structure and then we had to rebuild from scratch. And, it's not just us, the students that are affected, it's our families too. So I
Mhm.
think that my parents also have, based on their work stuff, readjusting to do as well. And it's been a little bit difficult for them. Luckily for me, that I have stuff to do, so research, school, I'm doing exercising, but it's different when your parents are at home and they can't go to work. So that's different. That was probably the one. That's probably one of the most difficult things, school, adjusting, and then trying to adjust your family and comfort your family through these hard times.
Yeah, for sure. Do you feel like it's affected your mental or emotional health in any way?
Yeah, and then that's why I also started going on runs or jogs or walks, because it's really hard to be at home, and my parents are feeling it harder than I am because they don't have as much things to do. So I'm encouraging them to, you can go on a walk, you can go outside, it's safe, just wear your mask, don't touch anything, you know, if you go
Mhm.
to the grocery store, don't be touching everything. Don't touch your phone with the gloves. So it's just finding, getting used to keeping yourself occupied is one of the most important things. And sometimes that's hard to do. Like you run out of things to do. So it's honestly been really exhausting. So.
Yeah, for sure. And I guess you touched on this a little bit already, but is there anything that you've started doing now in order to kind of take care of your emotional well-being? Like, I know you mentioned going on a run, but is there anything else that you do? Just because I know now a lot of the things that we used to do, we can't do them anymore.
Hmm. Especially when every now and then, it's kind of rare now because we're in school and have exams and stuff, but having Netflix parties with your friends or just FaceTiming your friends, having some sacred time for yourself, and or just catching up with friends. I mean, that's really important because sometimes you feel so alone because you're stuck in your house. But exercising has definitely helped. I'm not the biggest fan of exercising, but I'm like, I need to get
Mhm.
out of the house. And luckily, I have a car, and some people don't have a car, to just like, you don't even have to go outside your car, just take a little drive.
Yeah, for sure.